Log into your Make.com account. On the left-hand menu, click Scenarios. Then click Create a new scenario. Click the Add Module button. Type in WebHooks. Click WebHooks. Click Custom Webhook. You can either choose one of your pre-existing webhooks, or you can create a new custom webhook by clicking the Add button. You can enter in a new custom name for your webhook if you wish. Then click Save. Click Copy Address to Clipboard. This will copy the webhook URL to your clipboard. Then go to the pipeline in your system that has the stage you want to add this webhook into. Click the three dots on this stage, then click Edit Stage. Click the Triggers tab. Paste the webhook URL we just copied where directed. The automation that we're building is now listening for data, so we need to give it data to determine the structure. You can do this by clicking the Send Test Data button. Once you get the notification that the test data was sent successfully, you can go back into Make.com. As you can see here, Make is now listening for the data and will determine the data structure from the incoming data. Stay on this page until you have been notified that it has successfully determined the data structure. Once the data has been successfully determined, click OK. Hover over the first module, then click Add another module. Type the name of the CRM or app that you wish to use in this automation. Select the app. Choose the operation you want to complete. In my case, I want to create a contact. So first, I will select Create a Record, then Connect to your account. For more information on how to create a connection in Salesforce, see the online help here. In the Type dropdown, select Contact. We will now use the determined data to help fill in these options here. Remember that I will be filling this out as an example. Feel free to adjust what I'm about to walk you through based on your personal needs for this automation. Click the Last Name box. Locate the item that says Lead Last Name. Click this item. In the First Name box, click into here. Then locate and then click the Lead First Name item. Business phone will be telephone. Email will be the email item. Read through the extra options and select and fill in if you wish. When you're ready to test this new make, click OK. To test, click Run once. Then go back into your pipeline. Click the Send Test Data button again. After you get the notification that the test data was sent successfully, go back into Make.com. Once the check marks appear by the modules, we now know that this scenario has successfully ran. So if we checked our CRM, we can see that a contact has been created. We can see that the phone, the email have been successfully added. We can now confirm that this scenario was made correctly. So if we go back into Make.com, and when you're ready, you can toggle on the scheduling button. Per the schedule, this will run immediately as the data arrives. If you wish to change the schedule, select this option and change to your desired scheduling.